Samsung's Galaxy Fold series helped establish the market for folding phones, and for that, they should be commended. But because there have been no alternatives on the market for a long time, we are eagerly awaiting the appearance of rival possibilities. Now, the Google Pixel Fold is here. That is no longer the case. In addition to certain cutting-edge Google camera functions, Google is betting on a brand new hinge design that is anticipated to be marketed as the most durable one for a phone of this class. However, the Pixel Fold's usage of an Android version that has been streamlined and tuned specifically for folding phones is its most noteworthy feature. Consequently, the question of whether it will outperform the Galaxy Z Fold 4 or not arises. Let's get started now. When the Pixel Fold is unfolded, it is simple to confuse it for any other Pixel device. This includes the main camera strip on the reverse. The Pixel Fold by Google aims to resolve a major issue that many people have with the Galaxy Z Fold 4, which is that Samsung Foldable can sometimes feel unwieldy when used as a standard phone while closed. This is due to the thickness and the shape of its cover screen, which is noticeably narrower than the screen of a typical phone. Google has implemented some noteworthy upgrades in both aspects of the Pixel Fold. The device's external display spans 5.8 inches, and it's considerably broader than that of the Galaxy Z Fold 4. This should provide users with a more intuitive experience while using apps and navigating through the phone's interface. As the rumor suggested, the designer of the Pixel phone bears the closer resemblance to the Apple Find N2 than to the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 4, the Pixel Fold boasts a similar profile when unfolded, although it still feels bulkier than a standard phone when folded. The Pixel Fold hinge enables it to shut it completely, with no gap present, resulting in a sleeker and more streamlined appearance when folded compared to the Z Fold. Both foldable devices are water-resistant, with an IPX8 rating. Anyway, the stylus gives a whole new user experience on Galaxy's Z Fold 4, and all giving a full point to Z Fold 4. However, upon opening the Pixel's Fold, one might notice that the bezels encompassing the 7.6 inches inner display are thicker than those on the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Additionally, the crease on the Pixel Fold is visible, much like on the Z Fold 4, but it's more or less the same in terms of visibility. Both the Pixel Fold and Z Fold 4 come with a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate to deliver smooth scrolling, but the Z Fold 4 has a slightly lower resolution compared to the Pixel Fold. The Pixel phone is equipped with all the hardware components that one would anticipate in a premium phone. Notably, the device features a triple camera setup that comprises a 48-megapixel primary camera, a 10.8-megapixel telephoto lens capable of 5x optical zoom and 20x digital zoom, and a 10.8-megapixel ultra-wide camera. Now, you may be questioning why the Pixel's Fold, which carries a steep price tag, does not possess a camera system as advanced as the Pixel 7 Pro. With advanced AI technology, these aren't just a number for Pixel users. So, no matter what type of picture you capture, AI will take care of everything. As per Brian Rakowski, Google had to make certain compromises to integrate the camera sensors into the Pixel full slim frame, which measures less than 6 mm when opened. Rakowski explained that this presented a significant engineering challenge to accommodate all the components. On the other hand, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 features a triple lens camera system. Its primary 50-megapixel lens, which comes with a wide f-stop 1.8 sensor, and dual-pixel PDAF autofocus is the standout component. Accompanying it is a 10-megapixel telephoto lens with an f-stop 2.4 aperture that enables 3x optical zoom, and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens with an f-stop 2.2 aperture. As is typical of Samsung's camera systems, the Z Fold 4 produces vibrant colors with a heavy emphasis on contrast. So overall, both camera performs pretty well, but you will get some extra benefits from the Google Pixel phone due to having advanced AI in it. The Pixel phone runs on the Google Tensor G2 processor, an improved version of the Tensor chip that first appeared in the Pixel 6 and is also featured on the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro. The previous models demonstrated snappy scrolling and smoother multitasking, giving us reason to expect similar performance from the Pixel Fold. The Samsung Galaxy Default 4 is way above in terms of performance, boosting a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor and 12 GB of RAM. This combination makes multitasking smooth and effortless, and it can handle demanding apps and tasks without any noticeable lag or delay. Even when it comes to activities such as watching YouTube videos or playing games with high-quality graphics, the phone performs seamlessly without any stuttering or slowing down. However, it's worth noting that extended use can lead to the device heating up. According to Google, the Pixel 4's battery life can last for more than 24 hours on a single charge, and can even extend up to 72 hours on extreme battery saver mode. On the other hand, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 has a 4,400 mAh battery, which might not be sufficient for a device with a larger display like the Fold, but it still manages to provide a day's worth of battery life. So with both devices you can enjoy a full day of productivity effortlessly. As for the price, both Pixel phones and Galaxy Z Fold 4 come with an almost similar price tag. Both devices charged with $1,800 price tag, and that is anything but affordable. In conclusion, both the Pixel Fold and Galaxy Z Fold 4 are impressive foldable devices that push the boundaries of what we expect from smartphones. The Pixel phone addresses some of the concerns users have had with foldable phones, such as the unwieldy feel of the Z Fold 4 when used as a standard phone. It also boasts a more expansive external display and a slim profile when unfolded. However, it does come with some compromises, such as thicker bezels and a less advanced camera system compared to the other Pixel devices. Meanwhile, the Z Fold 4 delivers outstanding performance and triple lens camera system, and a day's worth of battery life. Thank you for watching. If you find this video to be useful, please like it and share it with your friends. If you want to see more videos like this in your feed, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.